Okay, so we're just going to do a demonstration of our capstone over here. So we switched the derailleur from like a gear mechanism into instead like a linkage. And due to like lack of materials, I had to just use what I had at home. And currently right now, the servo, so the problem was like we sent a signal, but we didn't know if the servo was going to the exact position or not. And sometimes it would not be at the exact place. So I had to do some little bit of modifications to the servo itself. And I had to get like a feedback wire out of here through soldering and just like just directing it to the pod itself inside here, so we're able to get like feedback from there. And then after that, just regenerated the code, did a little bit of rework, and finally got it to work like through user input. So you can basically upshift, downshift to like a certain gear you want, and we can see it through like we're gonna see it right now actually. So if I start moving, right now it's on the highest, well, it's on the, we call it gear number 1, which is the biggest cog over there. And if we upshift once, you can see that it moved down to the second cog over there. And if we see, look, we can look at it from this side to get like a better picture of it. So if we shift again, it moves on to that gear, and shifting it again slowly now, we can see it move like onto the smallest gear. Go again. Yep. So right now it's on the third last gear, and moving on to the second last. And now on to the last one. So right now it's on the last gear, and we can go back all the way as well. So the second one now. Third one, well, we call it the 7th one actually, because it's from 1 to 9. It's gonna go up again. So this is like a downshift that's happening. Again. Okay. So it's on the second one now. And now I'm back onto the last one. Well, first one. Okay, now let's say we start just upshifting again down to the second one. So in a case where you have like a reset happening, and let's say you're on the 9th gear, 7th gear, or wherever you are, and let's say you just have like a reset that happens. Alright, so let's say in a case where you have like a system reset that happens, and that will cause, so the system resets is right now made to just go on to the first cog over there, and let's say you're on the 9th gear. When that happens, so we'll get some speed in, and I'll perform a system reset. You can see that it has no trouble getting back to the first cog. And yeah, so this is without the speed sensor itself. The next part of it, or the last part, would be to just integrate that in, so it would just shift according to speed.